welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to do haul. I'm not going to do SMR, or I just want to talk today, and I just want to say thank you and telling all my subscribers how you mean the world to me and how I really appreciate you guys. And then I don't have the money to give away a lot of expensive things, so I'm thinking, why shouldn't I just say thank you directly to you by telling your name on my video, like thank you very much for subscribing me. It means the world, because you know I'm nobody, and then you subscribe to me, and it's feel like a lot of love. So without further ado, I tell you who subscribed to me. Okay, I say your name one by one, no worry about that. I have about around 3,000 subscribers plus, and then I'm gonna say thank you to Kamsal Saleh, Zasna Channel, Shaima Soleha, Sleazer, Nicola New, Miss Orchid Lover. I don't know, I just saying the names here. So I want to get to know you better, and I want to get to know my subscriber better. So first thing first, I want to say thank you to Shahada Huda, thank you to Gulam, thank you to Wendy Schultz, oh my god, thank you to Mang Ucup, thank you to Han Vlog, thank you to Fuse Network, D Walker, Alba 69111, Girls Dre, Bill Proy, Silvergate, Michael Liberto, Adios, 2480576. Oh, that's a good name for a YouTuber. And then Matia Lenza, Stuart Kizos, Troidel, and then we have Ululai, the Polino, thank you, the XD Burn, SD Burn, the Blood 64, ZBC Myth Ja 88. Oh my god, our GNM males are gorgeous. And then we have Osman, Jack, Laila, oh my god, Ellen the Best, Romeo, Hunter, James, Patsa Music, Georgian, Tommy, Highness, Sonesuke, oh my god, the name, Bella, Meghuzup, Matthew John, Abby Ba, Kathy, Douglas, Terry, Suna, Lucas, Vivandela, oh my god, your name, beautiful. And then we have Candy Baby 122, and then we have the Joker but smooth, we have Rick Gronk, we have Charles, we have Mega Sarhit, we have Dorka, we have Christopher, we have the Rockbok, we have Charlie Cameron, thank you very much. And then the Angel Blue, Rich, nice name. And then we have Melissa, Monica, Killer Romano, oh my god, you guys have a great name. And then we have seven, we have Headsport, we have Liana, we have Amirul, and then we have Sandia, we have Jokjo, we have Nadine Santia, we have Iza, we have Anna Ira, we have Achi Channel, we have Jeffrey Ibrahim, thank you very much. We have 79 Zagagat, we have Hasni Nurul Huda, we have Sherapul Channel, we have Intan Handsmade, thank you. We have Alia Rahim, we have Wong Tif, we have Nick Official, thank you very much for subscribing. We have Fatin Liana, we have Nurafika Albani, we have Shahida Ismail, and I do sound like a DJ radio right now. We have Lorna Edward, we have Suri Hashim, we have Adibah Fakikha, we have Fatin Sharina, we have Zuraida, we have Jajan Yokita, we have Dapodia Humaira, and then we have Anna Vlog, thank you very much. We have Farhan, oh my god, we have Video Julia, We have Hazlina Haris, we have Fizah Zakaria, we have Adi Lombok, we have Muhammad Rafiq, thank you very much. We have Double Shah, thank you very much. We have Anna Shah, we have Fatin Namirah, sorry, thank you very much. We have Lan Oi, we have just 99, we have Zach, we have Jamilan Gostos, we have a No, thank you very much. We have Auntie Lenny, we have Rodrigo 11, we have Ruth, we have this Sondria, we have Jane. Wow, thank you very much. We have Priya, we have Chipap, we have N2241535, we have Atika, we have Kotak Nyaman, we have Mumtaz Begum, we have Zafwat, and we have Amel Rabu. Thank you very much for subscribing. Okay guys, kita sambung yang semalam. Terima kasih juga kepada Miss Cherry 2020, Zakwan, Baka, Wawa Channel, Kila Romano, Timah YT, Nur Zafirah, Domi S, Trotters, Kamel, Julie. Nama dia orang memang sangat susah nak sebut. Tora, Abby, Michael, Ling, apa lagi ni, Dogif Murah pun ada, Muhammad Faizal, Asmar, Syamimi, Nadri Official, Sinar Faizal Channel, Hands 81, 21 Prima, Nano, Nicola. Ada banyak betul nama dia orang macam-macam, nama Jepun dia orang bagi, tapi semuanya Melayu je pun. Ada Intan Handsmade, Fizah Zakaria, Mang Ucup, Double Shah, Dapur Bangcak, Dapur Inspirasi Cikgu, Dapur Dia Humaira, Adila Adnan, Wanzi Zaur Rahman, Ashraf Shahar, Han Vlog, apa lagi ni, Fazlin, Hana Ira, Syaima. Ini macam mana tekan? Saya rasa ada banyak lagi, tapi macam mana nak tekan dia tak nak. Cepat ya. Ada Mama G Unit, Yaya Rahman, terima kasih. Nabil, Muhammad Faizal, Muhammad Nur Rabani, Sida Filta Kitchen. Ulang balik je ni. Ada Al-Zawji Channel, Miza Kamis, Cik Jariah, Fatimah Syurga, Work Smart, Vana, ada Saleh, ada Nurul, terima kasih. Ada Ahmad Aizat Ashraf, ada Khairul Lestari TV, ada Nur Atikah, ada Alia, ada Brokosh TV, ada host Rina Yusuf, ada Khalida Nur, ada Zaitul Ahmad, terima kasih. Naima Hasmi, Sam Douglas, Fauziana Nafis, Zuraina Baci, Dapur Bangcak, tadi dah sebut dah. Ira Shana, Wawa Channel, ada Erwin Miss, Ria ada juga. Sevari, ada Roslan, ada Salmi, ada Katijah Pai, ada Daniel Wong, terima kasih. Ada Jaka Handsome, alamak. Ada Razila bin Muhammad Shani, Zainah, Ana, Hani, Muhammad Rani, Muhaimin, astagfirullahaladzim, terima kasih. Ada Nuraini, ada Ila, ada Kotak Nyaman, ada Amir Rabu, ada Zakwan, terima kasih. Saya rasa macam saya ulang balik, mungkin yang ni salah. Ada Ashraf, ada Iza Official, ada Zarin Zuan Zarin, nama dia orang ni. Ada Ruth, ada Sylvia, ada Marta, ada Yatriza Channel, ada 121 TV, ada Seven Ajamin, ada dia orang punya nama email memang cantik. Ada YouTube tutorial, ada Amarnado, ada 121, terima kasih. Ada Monica Alessandro, ada Hansel 81, ada Farini, terima kasih. Ada Candy Baby, ada Lucas. Nama korang ni macam nama Filipin dia orang. Ada Maghzub, oh amboi. Ada Tommy, ada sedap tak masak, sedap tak masak, ada iron, ada save yourself. Terima kasih. Ada banyak yang letak nama Gmail yang susah nak disebut. Ada Shima, ada Huda, terima kasih. Ada apa ni, kejap. Ada Azlan channel. Ada berapa banyak yang saya sebut, tapi dalam ni macam dia tak tepat sangat, ataupun saya salah tekan ataupun macam mana. Tapi saya just nak ucapkan terima kasih banyak-banyak kepada yang sudi subscribe channel saya, kepada yang view dan kepada yang komen. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Saya amat menghargai anda punya view tu lah. Jadi terima kasih, dan saya doakan semua kita semoga berjaya dunia dan akhirat. Amin. Terima kasih. Bye. Tak lupa juga ada Hana Putri Pink, ada Kak Haji Kitchen, ada Hazmi Sulaiman, ada Alizol, ada Bahayana, ada PG Share. Terima kasih. Lepas tu ada juga Rostina, ada Miss Mal channel, ada Rosel Rose, ada Asma Syamimi, ada Odia, ada Syami Official, ada Miss Orchid Lover, ada Zazna channel, ada Kamsal Saleh, ada Luncai Indah. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Ada juga saya yang termiss nama diorang. Ada Via Rizwan, ada Rosli Abdullah, ada Indigo, ada Asia Anim, ada Hazili, ada Gabriel, ada Yaya, ada Nabil, ada Mama G Unit. Jadi terima kasih.